Companies publish reports. Users decide whether to invest, lend, buy, hire, or regulate. Investors check profitability, the decision to buy or sell the stock. Creditors assess a company's solvency to lend money safely. Suppliers gauge liquidity to decide whether to extend credit. Employees and managers evaluate stability, job security, and potential expansion. Regulators review compliance, taxes, and the environment. Communities monitor the impact on local jobs and sustainability. Reports drive decisions. Master accounting to empower them. Please like and subscribe.